to show everyone this little drill press work light that I've been working on in the morning. Probably took me about an hour to whip it up. It's got an on-off switch with an LED display, and then it just gets plugged into a 12-volt adapter, which then obviously gets plugged into the wall over here. And so basically I'm just going to give everyone a rundown. It's got a 12-volt car switch LED. It's got a chopping board for some plastic. Then you can see the wiring at the back. It's all heat shrinked. And then you come across here and it's a little bit of a mess. There's a few wires here and there. I didn't really measure, but everything is heat shrinked, so everything's, you know, fine. And you're probably wondering, where's the light? And before I get to the light, I'm going to say that's how I attached it, with just some simple Velcro. So that's how the switch gets stuck on. And if you come right under here, there's the light right here. It's just, that light there is just a cheap eBay light. It's hot glued to a scrap piece of hardwood, and then if you have a look, it's got Velcro on it as well, and Velcro stuck under here, so you can see Velcro, and that just gets stuck right there, just like so. So that's a little bit of Aussie ingenuity right there, if I don't say so myself. So let's plug this in and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we've got it plugged into the wall. We are going to hit the switch, and hey presto, we have a light. So we'll go on, and then bam. So you can see how much light it's really actually throwing off. It's super clear. So, and then back on. And the LED is actually a really nice touch. So that's it, guys. That's a little bit of ingenuity. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I hope everyone really liked this video. It was super easy. I'm probably going to add a little bit more Velcro here, because this is a little bit wobbly. But other than that, super pleased with how it turned out. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.